Okay.
Hi everyone. I'm Raymond, and today I'm going to invite one of our team member, William, to share about the property investment. So most of the time, when our customer approaches, they always ask us how do we actually measure the return on the property investment? So today, my colleague William is going to share about some of the figures and to help you to calculate how much that you are earning from the property. So in a way, my colleague William will be talking about the return on property investment. So without further ado, I would like to invite William to actually do some sharing based on the slide that he has prepared.
Okay.
So
Thank you,
William.
Raymond. Thank you, Raymond. Recently, many friends asking about property and how to invest in one, and we got discussed about location, freehold, and all. But what actually everyone looking for is return. So in this sharing session, I would like to talk about the property investment, and we'll talk about the return from property investment. So in this case, we want to talk about return because it will help you to make a better decision when you're looking to buy or when you already bought a property. So when we talk about calculation, it's talk about number and it's more reliable. So the first thing from about return is income, and the second component is equity. So in this sharing session, we'll be talking about income first. So, okay, Raymond, just want to ask you, what is your thoughts and what do you know about the calculation part for the income from property investment?
Okay. So the most so the simplest form that I got in terms of calculating the return, I think that's what you meant by income, right? The return on the
Yes.
property investment. So there's a two-way that frequently I encountered. First one is take your annual rental. For example, like let's say 2,000, you times 12, divide by the price that you paid for the property. And the other one will be based on the price that you bought maybe 10 years ago and versus the price now, then you calculate the difference. That's how much you earn over the years.
Very good, very good. Actually, we'll be talking about this kind of stuff, and there are plenty of ways to calculate, such as this rental yield per annum, gross rental multiplier, cap rates, net income, and cash on hand, cash return. So, but in this sharing session, we'll be sharing a very simple calculation, which is the rental yield per annum. So, the overview for this sharing will be the variables affecting it and also the case study for you to better understand it. And actually, calculating the rental yield itself is very tricky because it has many factors influencing the calculation, such as this rental fluctuation, the vacant period, maintenance costs, and also the property taxes. So for us to move on, well, I would like to share about the rental yield per annum. There are two very similar calculation, but the formula is different, which is the gross rental yield per annum and also net rental yield per annum. The gross rental yield per annum, right, is what Raymond shared just now, monthly rental multiplied by 12 months divided by the property price. And when you want to get the percentage, you just multiply by 100. Whereas for net rental yield, it's about the percentage of return from the property, excluding the expenses from the property maintenance against the total purchase price. So if you are new, this might be very complicated for you. So we'll be talking about case study for you to better understand it. So let's say you have a 700,000 property inclusive of all related costs. And let's assume you get 2,008 rental per month, and 3,004 is the amount that you need to pay per year to maintain your property price. This is all assumption, but let's try to calculate based on all this number. So to calculate, to get the gross income, right, rental yield, you multiply the 2,008, which is your monthly income, by 12 months, and you get 33.6K. And from there, you divide it by 700,000, which is your property price, multiply by 100, and you get 4.8% per annum. But moving on, we want to compare with what's the differences with the net rental yield. If follow these two different formula, then actually you can get a slight different answer, because for just now, it's 4.8%. But for the net rental yield, it's 4.3%. So there are slightly differences here. So I think this might help you if you've tried. But also another tip is, whenever you want to use one formula to calculate your rental yield and on your investment, it's better for you to use the same exact formula for all your portfolio, so that you can have the same comparison. If you use different formula, you might have the variation over the answer there. So if there's no questions from Raymond, I'll end the slide with the sharing with another, with just a
okay,
quote.
no problem, no question.
Okay, so I wanted to share and end this session with a quote: "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest," by Benjamin Franklin. So I hope this simple session will add value to you. So this is the quote. Right. Thank you.
Thank you very much, William.